have just a lot of chassis parts. Most of the parts get painted. We have seat cushions. We have those are the custom backs, the Vari-Lites. You know, we have the off-road tires already assembled. We have a lot more metal parts. We have frames. These are 18s, and you got the 19s, the 20s here. We're gonna have, you know, the large batteries, which will be the 24s. These are the smaller ones, the 22s. Just the frame, but any of them can get lights. And tons of motors, left and right. You know, more motors, actuators. We get them. They're Linac. They're a company. I think they're from Sweden, and or Denmark. They're from Denmark, right, Mike? Yes. Motor mounts. We have fenders. Yes, you're actually seeing them not being painted. So there's lots of parts. Even this is a accordion bracket, and they're very expensive. And that way your joystick can swing out. So tons of parts. This is going to be a lot of our electric parts are in here. Cables, wiring for actuators, all, you know, anything you need we got for our chairs. Very custom.